Speaking to YTV News, the Executive Director, Yobe State Fire Service Board, Yobe Umaru says, as the winter period is fast approaching, there is need for the public to avoid open fire, such as bush burning, as the wind can easily carry sparks and spread fire rapidly. He further calls on the public to safeguard their homes with fire extinguishers and limit the use of flammable decorations near any source of fire like stove, heater, among others. Yobe maintains that there is also the need to educate children and women on fire safety and the dangers associated with fire outbreak.
Winter season is approaching, so we need everyone to take extra cautions on fire safety measures. As you know, now dry winter is blowing, so immediately anything carelessness on fire to lead to definitely to fire disaster. So we need to do extra questions. We need to be very, very careful on safety.
The Executive Director advises smokers to always dispose butts of cigarettes properly and the general public to imbibe the habit of inspecting electrical wiring and appliances to ensure that they are in good conditions. Yobe Umaru advises people to stay vigilant and not to hesitate to reach out to the Fire Service Board for any fire-related concerns or emergencies on 070 6777 004 or 070 6691 8225 for timely interventions.
We have now a good modern firefighting equipment. That one will help a lot, and it was just purchased by recently by this administration. And also there is ongoing upgrading of firefighting trucks, about nine. So that one too to help our work also. And thank God, at any time when we have issues or problems, they are doing well. This administration are doing well to see the way they can help us, and helping fire service is helping the general public. It's safeguarding the life and property of.
He uses the medium to applaud the state government for providing modern fire fighting equipment for the board for effective service delivery. Babagana Ibrahim reporting for YTV News.